Here's what every US buyer is grabbing right now. Because sleep struggles, whether for you or your little one, shouldn't be part of your nighttime routine. Ever tossed and turned, desperate for a way to block out distractions? Or spent hours soothing a restless baby, hoping for just one peaceful nap? Quality sleep shouldn't feel impossible. Say hello to the DreamEgg white noise machine, the compact, powerful sleep solution designed for babies, adults, and anyone who needs a little nighttime magic. With 21 soothing sounds, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and customizable timers, this portable, cordless device makes relaxation effortless, whether at home or on the go. Get better sleep tonight. Tap the link in bio to get it now from Amazon.com USA.